Welcome to today's instructional video on simplifying integer exponents. In this video, we will be focusing on the problem 3 raised to the power of 3. Stay tuned as we walk through step by step on how to simplify this expression. Let's get started. Let's look at the problem 3 to the power of 3. To simplify this expression, we need to understand what the exponent, which is the small number written above and to the right of the base number, telling us how many times to multiply the base number by itself. Here, the base number is 3, and the exponent is also 3. This means we need to multiply the number 3 by itself a total of 3 times. So, we rewrite the expression like this: 3 times 3 times 3. This step helps us break down what 3 to the power of 3 really means, converting it from an exponent form to a multiplication form. Next, we perform the multiplication. We previously rewrote the expression as 3 times 3 times 3. Let's do the first multiplication. Multiply 3 by 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, we take the result of that multiplication, which is 9, and multiply it by 3 again. 9 times 3 equals 27. So 3 to the power of 3 simplifies to 27. This is the final step. The simplified form of the expression 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.